Cari connazionali, dear friends of Italy, welcome to our last video for the 2020 Italian Cuisine Week. This time we are in Nordhook at restaurant Il Limoncello by the Italian chef Luca Castiglione with his wonderful pizza oven where he will make live the real Neapolitan pizza. Who told us that pizza cannot be paired with wine? It was a lie, because we have a very special pair with a wine from Sicily that Pedro is going to introduce to you.
Okay, so for today's pizza Napoletana, which is a margherita pizza, so it only has tomato and mozzarella as the main ingredients, we will pair a Nerello Mascalese, a light and fruity wine from Sicily, which will be paired beautifully with the Napoletan pizza. Enjoy it!
Thank you very much and enjoy our pizza.
Hello friends of Italy, we are here today in Nordhook, south of Cape Town, in the Cape Peninsula, and we're gonna do something very special today for the International Week of Italian Cuisine. So here we got our 3 students from a Zico Catering School. Today they will learn to do the real Napolitan pizza.
In Italy, we have regions like here, you know, Western Cape, Natal. Each region makes pizza a little bit different. But the real region is the Napoli region, the Campania region, where we make the pizza.
of Italy, we are here with the final result of today's session of the pizza Napoletana originale. And what is best to have a pizza Napoletana? To have a guy that comes from Italy and from Naples, the city where this was born. So here we have Luca Castiglione, the owner of Limoncello in Nordhook, and he's gonna tell us about this pizza, if the students have done well in preparing it and if it tastes good, but we will find out very soon. Luca, so how many years have you done pizza in your life?
Probably more than 20 by now. We opened Limoncello in 2001 in Gardens, and now here in Nordhook for about a year. We finally have a wood burning oven, so we're still perfectioning it. It's never, even when it's good, it's never good enough for us. We're very fussy, and we put everything we have into our pizzas. From the best flours, we try and use all the authentic ingredients from the flour, the cheese, the olive oil, the tomato. Everything we use is the best we can get our hands on in South Africa.
And do you like teaching how to make Napolitan pizza to...
I love teaching, and it was an honor to have your school here today, and it's always nice to pass on the knowledge.
Of course, we want to demystify the legends, the stories about making pizza, because there is only one way to make it good. Okay, so for today's pizza we've selected a nice red wine. Pizza in general doesn't like wines with too much body and too tannic. So we've chosen a Nerello Mascalese, which is a cultivar from the slopes of Mount Etna in Sicily. It's a volcanic soil that bears a wine with a light, gentle character, but a lot of intensity in fruit. So a wine with light body and a good fruit intensity. This will help us to process the acidity of the tomato and the mozzarella in the pizza, but will not overpower the flavors of the pizza. So for this reason, salute a tutti,
Chin chin.
buona pizza e buona settimana della cucina italiana.